this, let's see if the speed sensor will come out. I've had it soaking for a while. Is that 12 or 10? It feels like it's a corroded tin. Yeah, it's corroded tin. Oh yeah, that's how they're supposed to come out. And this plastic sleeve gets replaced because it gets smushed down in there. I'll probably put heat shrink or something on that, protect this sheathing a little better. Not good. Whoops. New ones are on the way. Now, let's see if we can't clean these up and get rid of some of this rust and make them look a little bit more presentable and give them a little more lifespan than what currently it has with the rust they're eating away. One. Let's flip it over and get the rest of them. Ready to go back out? Still need to put the pinch bolt through, and there's a circlip that goes on there. Now I just need to put a new circlip on there, right there. EpoxACast 650. Mix ratio for fast is 12 parts B to 100 parts A. And that appears to be really thick. Just for the fact that I don't hear it. So that means we're going to have to pour it in here and squish it. Let me clean these molds up, get them ready, and then we'll mix up some, pour it, and see what it makes. Hopefully there aren't too many shadows. Is this by weight or volume? By weight. Okay, good. Two ounces. 2 times 0.12. So 0.24. I could have done that in my head. I don't know why I did that. 0.24 hardener. 2.24 ounces total. Trying to scrape the bubbles off as they come up. Or at least get them to pop. I'm gonna have to do a squish. Alright, here we go. Let it cure.